Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a ninja cap. First, you'll need to gather your materials, including your chosen fabric, sharp scissors, and a sewing machine. Next, carefully measure your head circumference and decide on the desired length for your cap. Finally, use these measurements to cut two identical fabric pieces, ensuring they match your chosen pattern for the cap's shape. This preparation is key for a well-fitting cap. Now let's start sewing. Take your two cut fabric pieces and place them right sides together, carefully aligning all edges. Use pins to secure them in place, preventing any shifting while you sew. Stitch along the curved edge of the cap, leaving the bottom open. This opening will be where your head goes. After sewing, trim any excess fabric from the seam allowance to create a clean, professional finish.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on making a ninja cap helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. On another note, I have a quick recommendation for you. If you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the main seam done, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully turn your cap right side out, then press all the seams flat with an iron for a crisp look. Next, create a neat hem along the bottom edge of the cap. This provides a clean finish and prevents fraying. For extra comfort and a secure fit, you might want to insert an elastic band into the hem, ensuring it stays put during wear. Once your basic ninja cap is complete, you can really make it your own. Consider adding unique touches like embroidery, patches, or even fabric paint to personalize your design. When selecting your fabric, prioritize breathable materials for maximum comfort, especially if you plan on wearing it for extended periods. Always double-check that the cap fits securely on your head, not too tight to cause discomfort, nor too loose to slip off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.